In my Windows 11 hacking video, I have used ATtiny85 device, which is an alternative to RubberDucky and cheaper device. If you didn't watch to my Windows 11 hacking video, I have given the link in the description. Please check out. In today's video, I'm going to show how to configure ATtiny85 for your ethical hacking. This video is for only educational purpose and I'm not responsible for any illegal hacking. Please be aware that illegal hacking is a crime. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. I regularly post cybersecurity related content video. If you are new to this channel or watching the video without subscribing, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the notification when I post a video. I will walk you with step by step in configuring ATtiny device on Windows laptop. As a first step, we have to download Adreno version 1.8.19 at the time of recording. Don't worry, I'll be giving all the links in the description. So let's now, we will quickly go and download Windows. So the file is completed. Let me go to the folder, extract it. So the file is successfully extracted. Let me go and quickly run it. Okay. So now we have download Adreno software and it is installed it. So now we have to step number 2 is now we have to install driver. So basically the operating system need to recognize the device, ATtiny device. So for that we need to install the drivers. So to install the drivers, visit Digistump Adreno 1. So in this one, go to Digistump driver and download it. The file is downloaded. We go and extract it. Okay, the file is successfully extracted. Now we need to install dpinst64. So the you need to install driver only if you are using a Windows. If you are a Linux user or Mac user, you don't need to install driver. But the steps are other steps are same. The driver is installed. Step 3, we need to update board manager index. Open file, reference. So additional board manager URL, you need to update the JSON file. Click OK. So now we need to select the board. Do that. Tools, board manager, search for Digi Stump AVR board and click install. So board is now installed. Now we need to select the board. Tool, board, DigiStump, select DigiSpark default. So now we have successfully configured Adreno. Now we have to upload the payload. Visit DigiSpark script. We are going to use reverse shell and click reverse shell this file raw and copy this script. Go back to the Adreno, clear everything, paste and start upload. So it will ask you the file to save it of it. So we will give reverse shell and we will save it. Once we saved it, the file started compiling and uploading. So now it is asking the device to plug in now. So we are going to plug the device now. Okay. So the device is plugged now and it is successfully done. So now it is ready and you can use it for your ethical hacking or ethical penetration testing process. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this video is useful to you. If you are like this video, hit the like button. Please comment on your favorite script in the comment section and also let me know if you have any questions. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in ethical hacking. Please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Happy learning. See you soon with another interesting video. Sign off for now.